Hi, everyone. It's day 204 of the Feathered Quest, and our bird today is the Great Blue Heron. These herons take dining al fresco seriously. Along the Pacific coast, you'll sometimes spot them perched on floating kelp, striking a pose and waiting for dinner to swim right up. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?